All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's a new moment, a new week, and of course, welcome to the Talk Show Live. My name is Simi Kenya. As usual, you know when we hit your screens, we come with the best from Lake Victoria and beyond. And as usual, make sure you share with your friends, make sure you share with everyone, because this is the biggest and the best Luo vernacular online platform that gives you all the necessary information from your favorite comedians, favorite artists, favorite personalities and politicians as far as the Lake region and Nyanza is concerned. So right now, I have my guest this moment, and before we go to that other side of the show, we are live from 630 restaurant right here at Suguta Center in Kileleshwa. So if you are watching this and you need a place to chill, a place to have some good experience, some taste of delicious meals, a place to just come and enjoy a pool table, do some games, and enjoy the moment, make sure you make your way to Suguta Center right here in Kileleshwa at 630 restaurant and enjoy the best cuisines, the best moments, and create beautiful memories. Talking about memories and moments, we are here with the fisherman himself.
Hello.
Jalupo. Costa Ojuang. It's been a moment, isn't it?
Niko salama. Mungu ni mwema.
Kabisa. Tichiteri nade?
Tichokras. Tichokras. Watch up ni?
Yes.
Watch up ni kanya. Wagoye kadichiel.
Yeah.
Kuro achel kum kadichiel. And weekend.
Of course, Emadwan Wachak Godo. The fisherman experience.
Yes, Baba.
This is now like the third experience from, we had the first one at Red Room, then you went to Mombasa.
Actually, Red Room was the second one. The first one was Alchemist last year, May. I think May 24th, Kumbuki.
Yeah.
And then tukafanya Red Room. And then tukaenda Mombasa.
Yes.
Mombasa was a mix of, there's a gig there, wanaita Sukuma Wiki.
A Sukuma Wiki festival.
Yes.
So what happens there? People just eat Sukuma Wiki.
So we played Sukuma Wiki, and then it felt like the fisherman's experience because ilikuja just immediately after Red Room. Kwa duogo.
Yes.
So Kisumu na yuak.
Yeah.
Wano kwa chaldano don't.
Wano kudubarwa koso wanu waunge majada.
Dano kusuki. Tuwaolo ni dano. Wadi Kisumu. Wadi go to Saturday.
Yes.
Tomboya Labour College.
Labour College. On 31st.
Yes, sir.
The last day of the month. And of course, lineup.
Kwanza kinadui kitege. Kikiwe mwakibi.
Okanyal leo. Fisherman Jalupo. Jalupo nyaka di.
Bana sasa tukanda ya lake. Ukisonga tu kidogo hivi uko Dunga.
Uko Dunga pale chini ya nini? Chini ya Tombo ya Labour College.
Yes, sir.
Wamiel du kachacha ande mabende kapinyiru. To joma koro onge fea. To idharao ko ginyaka kama gigike.
Hapana joma onge fea ko idharao nyaka umabei. Ese yao nyasicha. Nyasi.
Gia kanyo to gichomo madaraka. Yeah.
Lineup nigi the highlight of the show enan.
Yes.
I did go for close to 4 hours.
Non-stop.
Which is not what, it's not a thing we do. Shows wadi ka sana maga ka ngeng to 2 hours.
Oh.
Ngezi ngama biele madam miela diel. Okule miel moengo se chare. Miel se chare.
Kapo gibedo page. Ai guys.
Kara kapo kijonyi midio.
Ai tadi. Sad.
Karanga da meto. Giungwana. Okule madu moengo se chadek.
Yeah.
Kime oweri kigombaka. Kime meta diel. Do mago actually gari ongeot.
Kati de yudo kipakle. You don't park there. Why are you parking there, man? Niye wamielo Jalupo nyaka pinyiru.
Wakata okdago mna bedi associated gitimbe ailago. Kakijne park marach. Dongo nyingane ne wan ka Costa.
Nyaka pinyiru.
Wach marach kabisa.
Yeah. So you are going to do 4 hours?
Yes.
Non-stop.
We're looking to do 4 hours. Ka all double kuapi.
Yeah.
More the dirikanya. But then also I think it's a bit more flexible.
Yeah.
Because I have collaborating musicians who have been doing projects with. Koro wadigo Kelo Max. Jomero Kelo Max Obiro.
Jumbijiri.
Alo kenge. Rojo stage go ni lady. Kora umawia ni anya sai Kelo ya.
Okelo kike kede.
Okelo wakikore.
Wageje.
Maro ni erumbini.
Yeah.
So Kelo Biro.
Yeah.
Watendawili wanakuja. It's also, it feels like a homecoming for a lot of us.
Yeah, sure.
Tulianzia Kisumu.
Yeah.
watendawili biro, Brian Sigu, bende biro, bwana mahero kabisa. Ong'etho. Sero be biro, Nyago Mabeyo. Biro kanyo first time ever.
Performing in Kisumu.
In Kisumu. Wakamba Makario bawuto godo. Obiro gi Shadow Music. Wer moro mar Samile magi manungo ni timono kanyo. Obiro kanyo. Biro Yaba be biro.
And then it's a whole festival.
And then a pace Nyama
Mkali Wudo Kinyo.
Bas.
Yes.
Obunga to the world dugo dala. And then I feel like I'm missing someone.
Yes.
And then one get surprise act.
Who's also going to
Korune munya comment section munya yerendo.
Munya yerendo.
Etumalu nyanza. Manya chiru duoki. Obiro ko yerno ni ngao. And then Jose Langa be yao.
Jose Langa. Jagita ndiye. That's nice.
Wow. Kibalo, Hype Malo. Gidije mwa Nairobi kaya. What lots of set maber ma. So Fisherman lise bire mokalo. There's a section for nostalgia and just reflections. So wago tu.
Kama kori imule Musa Juma Martin.
Anguma tin.
Ana wacho mano timre, madhi timre ni.
We follow we hiro. So please come into Kisumu and the environs, into Nyanza. We will not be able to do a show like this again for a long time.
Even if you are in Nairobi or anywhere in Kenya and you are capable of just traveling to just go.
Ndege
ng'eny.
Ndege mora chiel. Tokate.
Yes.
Tikonja sampani mi kombere acheli. Iriye tiendi acheli bede.
Kandege bai. Gibedo booked. And so far I think it's going to be a good experience.
So we can't wait. Man.
How do you feel about it already?
Mwanzo, I'm hugely grateful. Ya kwanza ni gratitude. And then it's a gift to be in a position where you are inspiring culture, you are influencing it. Of course, I'm not here to change anything, but I'm adding to the vault.
True.
So it's a privilege, it's a responsibility, but it's one of those, I'm overly excited to cut.
And it's going to be amazing.
Itakuwa naona watu wa Kisumu wameamua
And when you talk about, something like a homecoming, does it mean this is where Costa Ojwang started his art? Does it mean this is where this whole thing about Costa started in Kisumu? Koso Costa ni nochako relikani.
Kumadonge. Koso kuma chako time.
Let's start from Kurukama. Let's start from Kamidonge. Kamunyulie mo.
Onyola awendo. Ajaka Mgundo.
Migori County.
Bas. Nisho dinyo bodala wa.
So dala inge Chief Aram.
Chief Aram. Chief
Kansela.
Oro Aram nen kansela wa. Ibipenje inda ongea kaka ore. Bara wini osomo primary chelona nembele.
Okay.
Owetega machieno somo kode.
Mani
Makara modhi e rusni. Dongane an Mombasa.
That same
day. Kane jinni dala kocha. An Mombasa. So had it been Nino Kade. Jodala moko na sione bati biro. Obise mano idho ndege cha. Ne beti gi wadwa e class achiel. Okune mochando uken kana wano sechando.
James Bond.
James Bond osechando.
Iluonge no bise.
Abisalo.
Koro dudene no bise.
Abisalo msani ngama lich dala kanyo. Apanga diel mone go yang ne kwado.
Sani an celeb mta.
Mara. Ateno timo lich ma movie kende mnyateme. Tije tek. Mange. Obise yawa. Anyway.
Mane jamta.
Koro kanyo dala. Andingo kanyo. The corner that takes you to Karam.
Yes.
Corner kanyo dala. Anyway.
So, idongo kanyo ero
from class 1 yakaita tima Ndingo primary. And then nakalo mate. Ne beta riek chon. Akia gima notimore.
Juogi okethe.
Akia gima omiya digni. Nakalo mate kaso luonga St. Mary's Yala.
Wow, that's
2006. ajasomo yala for the 4 years.
Yeah. Magweng kucho kinya goye midhi national school.
Ne giluonga kendgi narach. Wangi wang jogi. Narach mang'eny. Akia gima notimore e kor dongo kae.
Kosa anyuola.
Poda
Anyuola innocent.
Anyuola innocent wachni. Mato gin innocent. Kitogi ema.
Koro idonjo St. Mary's.
Yeah, adonjo St. Mary's 206.
Chwado 4 years.
4 years, and then after St. Mary's, nadok dala.
Yeah.
So anana jagweng ma
You're a typical village boy.
Villager.
Yeah.
With longings for better life.
Yeah.
And then
You never first born?
No. And second last.
Out of?
1 year uchiel.
Okoro in number beach.
A number beach. Lakini, jonyuol notho chon, koro abedo raised go wetega. Koro you somehow automatically become their first born. You're the first child they're raising. So it feels like firstborn, but it's not.
Yeah. Koro from St. Mary's ka irigini juogini ochako makigi St. Mary's koso.
Nangena nyawer, but nakaoga thum. Ingeni ginasema cha interviews moko. Kidonge dier tiparo ni dier ndikore pat wangi. Ipani ngaone ni ngeni.
Jamani ni nono. Ngani
soluete. So jikiaga. Koro it builds a character mine's very laid back and kept within themselves. And then you just become shy for no reason. And then
lura young confidence.
And then kada koro kiriek, so you wouldn't want to loudly project your opinions because the Kennedy broke out.
Reaction dibedo nango
Samora nyawu kingale bwana iko no wango bwana.
Bwana ni so indingi kata na bisano kata gari hii. Tingena dier seche kuto pocket
Bwana ko anengena kuwedo gari. I digress again. Kuwedo gari took class above. Gari makoro gari dey more than 30 minutes. Took class above.
Long distance.
Kadili mawaya. Do gero kila ume CBD mani yende dok chien to kyango dhi mbele.
Koro no ka yende timore kama.
Wach matek manade.
Ibiro limo waya Nairobi koso ne dikaje.
Kadili mawaya kanyada. Rodi ko pan.
Iwuok Migori.
Nanga malich ka dok dala.
Inyako mbak gari.
Mara. Kono ndalo ka koro cousins kama kusubiri Nairobi ka. Bigona mpaka gorofa.
Yeah.
Koro anatemo paro niya. Ot moro ni wi ot moro. Ni tudonjo mama loro nango.
Even oket gas.
Anangeni stairs ntie bathot kando kae. Nyaka malo.
Mama ne in jadala ni.
Maki wuok piny. Tichama chame bathot kanyo.
Mi chopelo.
Nyaka malo makike ni 10th floor. Tichwade bathot nyaka.
Ka koth chwe.
Nyaka 10. Koro mage mane koro gino miyo gino chando wi.
Ni ka koth chwe.
Kata kikier, kata ka koth chwe. Kata kikier. Bi yudi. So
Jalupo.
Koto kanyo. Adhi Kisumo. Nang'e go ball.
Oh, football.
Ang'e go ball morom.
Makata St. Mary's kucho ne ine team koso.
Ji mang'eny onge ni an jaball. Makata wach thum ni pod bago gi. Joma tiye ka find out ni Costa dong ni jampira. Agone gi bao. Marach. Tournament milayo kor gweng. Ase gocho masoge kucho. Kia ukure.
Nyane gi
walwanda kutien.
Ongere gi liedho nangu.
Ba, studi mia moro mia beach. Ngama lich.
In bazu.
Tiketi e boda. Tige bag moro matis midie ye kacha. Die ka.
Ba boda terimda.
Ase dinya, ose oma nyaka Tanganyika chosirati michire kocha.
Idhi go mpira.
Na dhi gi moral.
Yeah.
Ben sikuna jomonge wache comment kanyo kari yambo. So I came to Nairobi.
Yeah.
Ne tich me lunga je ne tich nitie. Kono luonga biro to tich no kayodo.
Mana after form 4.
Ne gingisa ne aketho sa dala.
Yeah.
Ne temarie bi Nairobi. Nairobi B minus no kare mai nare morom.
No ano ni bani ne dhi maber bwana.
No katimo gicha. Tina med. Da sanda onge kae. Dina choma jisi ndani.
Dini tule mate.
Jump start. Yeah, beach makeup. So I went back home.
Yeah.
And then after 2012,
yeah,
I went back home. And then I went to live with my brother in Kisumu, Antipas. So, Kasa Chako the art school, Goro.
Oh, yeah, kuchora.
Yeah. So I went to art school for 2.5 years.
Goro ni eri ipunjo jiko sen, it's a talent. Mangato
No, you must have that. You can be taught, but I believe me, you must have the talent.
The talent, yeah.
Geek meeting mo mine naka koro meeting mo mari donja ko comedian. Kyo ikinya puonji
ndiko jo. Yes, nyisi delivery,
but kyo
the talent, yeah.
Nti keshworo bro limi. Mi bowe bedo comedian. Talent mami kalo through cage.
That's deep.
Yeah,
that's deep, yeah.
Keshworo limo ga jite. Ngara matemo.
Yeah.
Kejino ko limi, talent ma push it through cage no.
And that passion,
the power,
the energy,
the drive, the desire to better yourself as a comedian.
Not to give up, actually.
No. So talent able to push it in spaces where your spirit is
going down, yeah.
Kapo ni deda gicha ko ni puonji.
Ni nane no ka Costa goe we amba dia goe.
Mo di puonji ri loso goe. Kara ka dire comedy ka. Mana dok da.
But you are doing good.
Comedy.
You can.
Adieri.
You are very funny.
Ati simbaka kama tanya survive.
Tokoro ko achingi
hiyo
penye.
Kuba we na uru ya angera. Kikumia mic. So I came.
Yeah.
I went to art school.
Yes.
And then I finished and came to Nairobi. I applied for some other things, competitions, and I won 2nd place.
Maruguru ni?
Maruguru.
Oh. Countrywide. Number 2.
Hey. Aracho kan jokes.
Umera.
Kusatani magoro mo kukaiko na.
Angne nani yo display producer angne display.
Yeah, display kan. Abo tango ni kwa wuka.
Yeah.
So, okubinano angne tango ni online. Display screen.
Yeah.
So I bet number 8 and then I moved to Nairobi. And then I've done some shows in the US, England, Australia, Holland. Yeah. Then I've done some shows there. So my transition to Nairobi had nothing to do with music. I was coming to draw, make art, do exhibitions. Yeah. Because I kind of went to art school, na some books mako kucha. Yeah. Don't you think we are mako ngamatini?
Ntia kan aerial neni malo.
So mube so muri. Na some buge mako. Unaleno ka there's a life my artists in history lived. They didn't sell much, but it moved them closer to other people in the society. Yeah. Ni kama you might not have money, but your social capital. Yeah, sure. Is huge. Yeah. And then because I also loved, I loved making art. Yeah. So when I realized, there's a career manya team igora gora. Maya makora duara.
Ni igora gora te yudo majana.
Maya maduara. Or tech, it's not an easy thing, because honestly, Angagi need a social experiment. Jogora diminge.
Okine mae kora ngei.
Is serious?
Togi nyako moro nwasomo go benego dilo ne Wilkista.
Podogoro.
She did it in campus, things to do with it. So I'm not sure if, but she still does. I think she still does it passionately.
Okay.
Yeah. So not as a career.
Jimangani katendo. Temoga goroga. Kaji podinde class achela re. A lot of people draw things. Mabe no kaka jidiga secondary. Kanti course margoro jomoko na mondo timega. But after high school, not many people follow it.
True. After high school korena gambling pata potea mao biro wa team
dikechotek guru tech. So a lot of people don't.
Do you think it's not appreciated or recognized? It okoyo the recognition it deserves.
Mama wasikiwanga no. Ndo jingine an serious. And get different outlook ya maisha. Yeah. I believe God cannot give you a gift just to make you a slave to the gift. So Goro, bedo comedian, bedo MC, Wear, Miel, Gobul, all these talents you cannot be given just to make you a slave to the gifts that you have. Nice. So, upon some kama wadi wrong and Africa wadenyo, we don't give gifts enough time to to flourish, to grow, to blossom.
Okay, wan garaka.
Kono ka ngato ng'eyo goro matin.
Yes.
To chako uso to bo omoko kanyo. Koro kanyo momoke. To wacho ni I found a style.
Yeah.
Kanyo momoke koro kolan gik mang'eny. I've seen people who are just hungry for knowledge.
Yeah.
And at some point in life, everything rounds off together.
True.
And gimora mora mitimo. A point more ngimani. Gibo romo malo kae.
Yeah.
Koro kimanyo rieko mibedo gi enough skill. Then even if you're not selling, there'll come a time when you'll be the only one with that skill. Then now you will sell to everybody.
Nice. That is good.
So
it's quite encouraging.
Goro ni pesa bwana. Goro ni pesa mang'na ngisi off camera.
Maidi mio jogi donje goro bakata goro.
But it's difficult.
Yes.
That's why it has
to penetrate that market and
yes. Shida is not even penetration because man can go. I can go out real fast. Hallelujah. Uwepo wa Bwana.
Shida ni?
Shida ukeni mawache ni. Shida ni. Shida ni ji. Okiye skill dong.
Yes.
Kapok idonje chiro. Nge?
Yeah.
Anything to skill. Yokiye skill dong. Ikejida chiemo.
Jodenyo.
Kinge goro maber.
Yeah.
You'll become the only one doing that thing. And then they look for you. Chalmana gi fundi kom.
Yeah.
Fundi moro ma en ti style moloso go kom. Ma ene monge.
Yeah.
So charge premium. Kokida kom.
And he sells.
Ndi fundi mange ngongro dukae. Hana viti. So vile mafundi wanakaga viti hivi display.
Yeah.
It never has display. Toko tipi leb. Kom koloso kom. Alotumia yu produce.
And people buy, yeah.
Lakini the way he handles wood. Catering king ye koloso kom. Jama cha msani.
You feel this guy knows what he's doing.
Yen winje ma bao. Meromulo bao.
Koni yen winje.
Wale. Koloso line. Line ko ngado kama. Muluya chara. Koro kikaila go mora ngamamio more value skill over workload. So you work you loso komario to loso maber
and you sell it.
Charge a premium.
Yeah. Tongani loso kata par to koko chopa mar price.
Kasto mondo uso gibe apara go. Be mo genda kanyo. Go gichamorangi gitimango.
Yeah.
So kanya kaka ngiyo life. So goro is extremely difficult. But if you have the zeal to just keep at it.
Yeah.
Chupo kama ine makoro gimoro in godo majite.
It's only you.
It's just you. So na goro.
Koro in goro ni emibiro godo Nairobi ka.
Mano kela ka.
And then koro we had transition to music.
Do nange we. We nange na nyadengo marach.
Makara sachi moko ka in kendi to nyalo.
Mange joma no ngia chora dala. Dunge na nyawer. Kara taska project fame kana bijirega.
Oh, TPF.
Makisumo kanya marome gi Max by the way.
Okelo. Because I wanted to ask you. No kelo nuromo go kanya nikech you also said
nen celeb kata ne biro nyaka gi yude manogo e dad. Okoyie ga
security.
Okoyie ga. Jama ni ngi security bwana. Ngi ko moko je. No mi holo kuma koyo. Nabe ngawa piem bwana.
Nabe hang wanyal.
Giri wadi nyalo. Ngechano gola ot ni ago ni jiko ot. Adi atem. Kanya were mbele jaje.
Mano ka in Kisumo.
Adi kora donjo kacha fupa mar bedo jadala. Koro kiwu ngiye. Kata Alan ne wan go. Kai maro me Alan CBK.
Alan the CBK
Alan Blue.
Yeah.
Koro donjo kacha ko bounce. Apan makaje university mo kono wuto go. Nen moy.
Wow, moy Eldoret.
Otambre ga batna nene. No leave first impression masirias.
Ni otambre ga batna.
Nane ga di. Nyane ngate no ko cheko kicheke.
Nikech eno dicho nego show.
Koro chopo kacho keto ka group. Niti moko mang'eny. Mine moko gi G2 yani. Chuo. Jikokoro
categories.
No, ji timo bonding. Ji bond.
Yeah.
Apoda kia kata ji. Okelo perform oko kae.
Acapella tu ma.
Yani gita ne moro kae. Kwenye ya gino sebo.
Ujo bende.
Ujo. Wadi kushowerni ji. Okawo kelo. Okawa.
Yeah.
Okawo bwana mone Frank ne wan kod art school. Obiro mocha ogocho Nairobi kae, nosomo Nairobi University. Gi Halisi Bank.
Yeah.
Okawo kelo kawa, okawo Frank. Okawo bwana moro ne Alan Nodong. Joka no kon Alan kia gicha.
Yeah. Jane bage.
Tok mala ndugo chapo ni makoro gin CBK.
Doge, waluongo gini Sauti Sol ma Kisumu.
Joka bapa ne discriminate. Apa ne balance jomaro teke gi joma lando.
Negi neno ka nyeni betra no dhiki korangi kocha cha.
So no we Alan. But la good musician.
Yeah.
Alafu kawo Frank yan go kelo gi bwana mono asiaya. Mabor.
Gen Z go li hasmo. Mandalo.
No wala nga otegno no duong no. Kingi suche.
Yeah.
Musa Juma. Hey.
En nogo mar Musa.
Sana wero berana supaye mama. Di makul weto berana supaye hanie weche wacho kodi mama onge kata makosa. Jaji koro go mani. Nairobi. Kaso wabiro Nairobi.
Mano koro ji ang'wen. Un ji ang'wen.
Ginyiri mokare. Dem moro kawo. Kisumu. To moro bapano ya Kisii. Gutemo Kisumu.
Oh, the entire region.
Neromo
Kisumu.
Kada joka Kakamega.
Koro ka uji abi chwo ang'wen gi nyiri ariyo gi.
Yes.
Seche go mano pok ning'eyo kelo. That is your first time.
Koro wabond kwa biro.
Yeah.
Ketwa Nissan. Trans Safaris. Momo ino ni Eldoret tango. Nissan moko ntie Twin Town, Twin Stage ka. Oromo kanyo wabiro ketwa YMCA.
Maiga mane?
2013. Ketwa YMCA kata. Chingri aso koro audition maka. Tiro KICC.
Yes.
Jo Mombasa donjo jo Kinakuru.
Koro region
nyaka Nairobi be. Wambe wan ka.
Koro uda inu jo Lakeside.
Kata kuru. Frank gogi to kelo gogi tan kata kita ka kia pok na mulu.
Ini nge mana?
Age manyono kama kan one.
Ne gin gi box kita cha.
Kelo ne. No kelo no box ga pan mare ne rach. No biro to mare ne rach. Koro kwa chupo kae. Okon chak jok mama mabor. Do Mombasa e mama mabor.
Yeah.
Ono un jag Mombasa. Oko chak kodigi. Akene gi loko I don't understand.
Yeah.
There's a twist manotimore. Koro wachi Kisumu machako.
Une mumoke. Mano audition go sokoro performance.
Audition. Final audition mko donjo academy.
Yeah. Makoro waneno ga TV ni.
Kusekala moro mukalo kokine no TV.
Yes.
El mani kore mai nya lidno achira re mane interesting. Mojo mako mawer giko mogala kama entango nuka donde bar.
Ma trend ka.
Mago. Koro wadhi kacha. Owachi ko jo Kisumu machako. Madano jo yuang'ich. An ng'eno ka jatho. An kirere manokela.
Inogoli manigo koke on the time.
Akoni I don't have anything to lose. In fact I've made it to Nairobi. Poor. Yeah, no se donjo kacha jingi an ge korbao kama dot.
Yeah, I have nothing to lose.
I'm already a winner bwana. Ba dot ba madongo. Koro ngi korbao kama wanene.
Uneno kako kuchotwere.
Kucho ye kacha nti lieto kada gimo chwak kanyo. Ko chalo liet. Adonjo.
Uneno judges.
Adonjo. Yan Musioka gi Natalie. Penja. What's your name? Costa Juan. What do you do? Awinjo mania. Awinjo ni dete ma ngoka chako explain we wada bero no what do you do other than music? Because I'm a student of fine arts, Polian student. Werwa. Achako we me microphone achako my first time tingo microphone.
Kuchono go ya capella gido we.
Tingo gicha koro. Adengo wermo Australia. But don't brother no ya Australia gi ukora wendo moko no awinjo ko namba winjo gi by default. Awira. Costa Juan go back to school.
Oh, you can't use any Podium student.
You go back to school. I will catch a call already away na bwana.
Gikia nini kama ichope no ini mor mogik.
Mang'eny. Maleo mane mondo gitimie ka gir kira gimoro. Gitang'a e TV.
Kata kaka no riembi no kende.
No gitang'a. Awuok kelo gino biro. Gigoyo. Oriemb gite.
Udok dala.
Oriemb gite koro waparo kare. To ko watim nago.
Wala dok nango bita koza cha.
Okela pano di makanya men gimoro na dhi kawayo moro chongo moro.
Okanyo koro ng'at ka ng'ato jipanga.
Koro gicho serum. Adhi kawaya moro. Waya Janice. And then so later on I found my way back to school. Koro na where I was home.
Oh, nisomo kanya this time.
At school. Nyalenda Mwangaza.
Okoro nitimo finance nitimo nyaka kanyo. This finance.
Fine arts.
Oh, fine arts.
Fine arts.
Yes. Kori dog school.
Dog school, atieko school. Aduo ka weche tumkana se logo.
Koni an kama na gike cha.
Chadwa joma tek tek an gike cha.
Nyaka jamusa joma.
Jama cha noriem chon. Jama kore nyinge no kamako. Apanjo ka odiem kapo kamako nyinge.
Okay.
Joka no komi watai mo bond. No dog dala. And then
dog school.
Aduogo. Timo school aduo Nairobi. Kuka aduo Nairobi was coming for the second time.
TPF bado.
No.
Kori duga.
Aduogo jua kali. Don koro goro. Duga ada kumoja, sadak Ngong Road. A buddy of mine had a studio.
Yeah.
Gitonga Mukira, shout out. Until Nodaro de France.
Yeah.
A very good guy. He used to live in Kisumu. The same time, man Kisumu wateja. I believe ni gimoro ni timoreka Kisumu kacha, probably we are not open to it. There was a huge creative energy in Kisumu between 12, 13, 14, 15.
It was bulk.
Yes. If you positioned yourself correctly, it rubbed on you. It's king almost. Jimangeny ma timo gimoro. Jimangeny ma timo gimoro creative.
Yeah.
Kada kidi Kisumu. They were in the same circle.
Yeah.
And then after that group, though kada Kisumu, kada nga watching it's the absolute truth. But I've not seen people with the same energy. I've not seen that level of order.
I think latest, the last 5 years, it ended up to around 2019, 2020. The creative Nini was good. After that, I don't know what happened.
But it happens all the time. It passes generations. Obiro resurface kendo. Chako kalo generations. So Kanyama Nintiere Okelo and Sigu for a little bit of time. For a short period of time, sorry. I caught the mad.
This Kisumu.
Kisumu. Kanyawate. Pesegini. Instrumental is Sule again. Byron. Shari Africa. And Kanye Putra back again. And they became things. Others traveled abroad. Nana, Elizabeth again. So Kanye Duogo, because I'd already been in Kisumu, to Nairo to Max Nong and Nangewe. The Kisumu Nekiana Newe.
In kitchen, Uncode.
In a Kodeko, I'm not going to Kodeko. Adengo. To Belgica to Natama.
You need Konijago.
I'm a good rago board. So, Kadu Koni or Whoop your pay. Gitonga had a studio, so I would record for free. No longer attest the Gikono Nyogo. But I will record. It was exciting to hear yourself speak a Moromaten for the first time. So I did that for a few times. Now I record gospel songs with the Nyasai.
Oh, Emanigine Godo.
I know. Can I you YouTube?
Even your performance,
Kidding like a pin mugi. Do when the Nyasai Mohammed. And I chako Godo. Magi Yesutu. So, Atu Mano. And then, Dina Dalmokana Kirokilo lost group Mar Gospel.
To embed this time, not more gospel because
no, and no time or you know.
And no more Kemo Kachak Richard. Could you use it? Leave lost group. One away. To Woodboard. You want a chore. Why don't you Kanisaka? Kabeti Momoyo. The cabin chicken in Jawar. Okay. My big, you know, I got a dog, my go to it's actually even after recording, Maggie.
My gospel. No, I go looking at share, give you that. It was a pleasure and a thing you do just because you can do.
Yeah.
And there's a studio there.
And
So when COVID came, I think I had too much time alone. So I took a studio, record them for experiments. Like Rio Reka.
Oidwa mingi onito, how far can they go?
Yes. And then also nange wacho kizungu. To Gitonga was convinced kizungu mangeyo onge. Kuro kade giwero kizungu. To kasa mano mera weri kidoluo bwana. En mwembu. Meru apara.
Yeah.
Imba hizi vitu kwa Kijaluo. Ina sound poa kuliko hii kizungu mekadana nayo hapo. Nata modo.
Yeah.
Nata modo. Nagade.
He's spicy.
The sun is fading. Kachikola wangi sauti zuri. Nairobi. Chie mana so edoluo. Emane gino muochi.
Yeah.
So Gitonga played a huge part.
Manu, what was the first song Manitimo Gidulu Manu muochi?
Oriore.
Oh.
So I did Oriore.
Yes.
And then harakati mag atka. Bwana mwana romo godo ma shoot short videos.
Yeah.
For fun. Ako ni agoro koro. Inyago picha, ta interpret in art, but you put joint exhibition ma photography, the art. Kano biro studio, yero ka we erbe. Unaimba tie. Agone wende kweko. Tono daro di Diani. Uluonga mano dia shoot Oriore. So I just went to Diani, we shot uko Congo River, some cheap video, I think 10,000.
To edit ni chap.
Kadu ukone. Though is a very crafty, smart person.
Yeah.
So not him. Ingeje moko manigi futuristic eyes man, timo gik moko
ko eye mbele.
Onya timo sani, to understand gima timo. And then fast forward,
yes. Ko ku realize
kaji are moving towards those things. Koro ilonga ni Bipon Boya.
Yeah.
Very talented man. So no timo nagino koro kadugu Nairobi. To gicha ka golo. To quality ma video. Ok chal man ngama chako.
O en motegno maber.
No pek maber. Kaso ngeni ben ave ngama ngongo de duong karate. So you don't look like you just started.
Yeah. Ipenjo manto ngani karo ogoga gini kanye, en ga kanye.
Koro kana kaka jiwuoyo, adoki Gitonga. Na watim album koro.
Serious? Ko ni gini karebe. Gini dhi album.
Kora ya mabuga mar doluo.
Apiriman ni moro.
Tumbiro nego bonyo mino molo jabanjo. Opio kenyange. Ogot. Wagoyo album. Album Tales of a Fisherman. Then I start to go shows. Because nothing shows my calendar. Now organize show. Mock ticketed.
Yes.
It started being enjoyable. Fun.
Band you koro meet ni.
Band na mokungo kile mano mi ajogo.
O en no se koro marecha no se de gombele mo se ma.
No se yakwerikisa sauti sol. Rumba Japan.
Yeah.
So katieko tim album takoni ni ba. Ada chako wer. Atim nango lungo na joma ko kan.
Yeah.
Usiepege. Wala so band. Chako go thum. Agoyo. Agolo project moko kenda, agolo Delila. Delila ko wuok.
Yes.
Che ma poka ngiso ngako. Okelo no sponsor na thum no. Kaki ana chiwo kieno maka screenshots ni. You have sponsored your video. Ko na sponsor video side. On
Facebook.
Akieka kino sponsor YouTube and Facebook. Aso go show na baadaye. So
wow.
Ngisa ni pesa moja anaona kama tena na tumno meto sponsor ni. Sponsor gino. Songo.
Wow, that's good.
Alafu corona go shows go. Show mano kwong chula. Na chula, geso chula pesa.
A performance? 50?
5,000. The first time I was
paid. Ana 50?
No. 5,000. Nasi kitambo.
Nengi bando papers kusu?
Bando pong jia uche.
Bando mukelo mi?
Mukelo mi ajia dikta medo joga moko kendo koro. No mi a 5.
To me 5.
No go to Kilimani, Move Cafe.
And how was the performance?
No,
performance,
no. Performance poka gora kanoma ever. Ini ngaka perform. Performance nangiso jokani alafu band mabe jonge to. Owiti and Byron, Jogote, Sule. Very good musicians. So kawuondi. Gimose konya be. An gi band monge to.
Yeah. They are not just for work but
ginyago tumga gimi wangi kama. Gino yoka kanwa record.
Yeah.
So miyo koro jok mawinji
ok giwinj wer kende but nyaka instruments gimoro amora
band koro mano bro set apart nago show nangisi gani kolungwa show kata ma 10,000
wadwa negi
wago mara 1,000 set show wago show kigo kamano samunti ja 1,000 crowd
sure
mabro luongi
bro kono mera ambe bigona gi chaka ni gocha ngeni ok bingeni kocha chano bedo nago
asko ni 100 jadi ni an gi 80
kucho tingena 5,000 muusi
kasa da kono sangwenya kendo ni koro kwa dok ja 80 cha ogoni koro show mara 1,000 so you the no new vision upon they believe in
the ngeni at some point
vision man and God so I go for a year tafonyo ni Tales of a Fisherman tani giwende maten wende abo 8 oninga med to mono tum nyase yuare
koro kara kidhi gocho to kinuo gi ahinya
koro mare record fuen koro so tum pick up kan koro me arpenjo maisha
wow to ere kama koro kwanza jalupo ang'o miluongo ni jalupo nin ka jalupo
so I've fished not for business mar more lakini poetically kana timo album the album was just my story I was just telling all the songs were just my story apandogi in words ma you take time
some poetry
lakini gin mana story kaka Boyd Kaka Hono, he was a simple child with a very, very simple life. Born in a humble home with a smile on his face.
That's you, basically. You talking about yourself.
From Dala to school to Nairobi. Togi, the general longing and need for Hono, Majiteri to Hono. Kari Kuri to Hono ni moro sana. So, nani being a Dongo Dala and then transition to Nairobi, to Kisumu, then to Nairobi, I know I have experienced a few aspects of life. A lot of my peers, go to only the privilege, my experience. Ngenjo kumago chukodo kore market wa contemporary ni onyol gi Nairobi ka gidongo Nairobi ka moko tinde ka punjere dholuo moko nge dholuo to dholuo is not the first language ya odgi so ntie weche moko ma ing'eyo ndwaro
tango dongairo kene ka bachal kod ita dongo dala
neje ting'eyo igla
igla ng'eyo
koro ndwaro ni soga ikete siando igla kama kikete rech mundo ngena gulu ko chwakere rech moko ga sianda gulu ikete platform moko modern ng'eyo so these are things of course I would not get a chance to use them in our regular conversations but if there ever come a time they would not know
true
so I feel being ni Adongo Dala in Nairobi I find I was one of the last people because Dala is changing to Nairobi these days.
Dala it's becoming Nairobi actually.
Tile jokutigi
so yigilagini ka
aziko. Jitiogi gas miti money Dala. So I felt I was one of the last people to have been able to experience that life and also experience this life.
The two sides.
Yes. So as a musician, I felt I still feel I represent a very integral part of Luo culture and history and a very integral stage our progression as a community. You act as a vault for these people to tap into and also for these other people
to
connect the so album stories of a fisherman and Koro but stories no commit no chamre tales of the fisherman. Question of a fisherman. There's so many fishermen.
True.
Where you say of the fisherman.
Of the fisherman, there's only one.
There's only just one legitimate fisherman in Nairobi.
When Jalupo.
Koro ka goyo, nene mana wachi Jaluo. Koro ka goyo tomno. Tujimane bire show. Bire show. Tunela kusikiza ngoma of the fisherman. What do you tell of a fisherman? What do you tell of the fisherman? The fisherman. Alafu koro Jaluo ko biro ne
Jalupo, most every time I call you Jalupo.
It became a thing.
And why did you take this contemporary
Luo
music apart from nikechingine at the time you guys are coming up with this you know ohangla uma kokochama everybody is running to it because they believe it's the one that is most listened to en maji winja enya en main gima jana enya inango mio nikao this other path
nikech kaka isa dongo labi Nairobi personally you might disagree with this I feel the music represents a time a people in a place.
Yes.
All the music we listen to. That's why if you hear reggae music, you associate it with Jamaica. You think of weed first thing. It's Jamaican culture.
Rasta.
Yes, Rasta. Rastafari.
Yeah. You attach it to a particular...
Yes, a particular place and a particular time and a particular people.
True.
So, the Luo as a community, I think, and I believe that we are the most progressive community in Kenya. And then also, we pick on to, not progressively, we are more at the...
Advanced? Or
no, not evil. In terms of how we vibrate to new things. Ka twitch moro wuok sani loka. Wabo twende. Nubo twango tweje no.
Ibro twe. Maka rus moro wach ni mane bim.
To mane ma.
En wach maliche.
To kada ko gol gari manyien loka.
Yeah.
For a long time Nyanza kakani also luxurious vehicles.
Yes.
Kata SUVs and
yes. German machines.
Ni pango direct marketing na majaluo. Kata kajuo kati rate koni. Bana why are you washing my Mercedes like that? Okay, are you washing my Vitz? Toka wu marach pon Vitz. I'm just saying.
Yo Vitz mo konika agni gul niyo yuar.
Kada Vitz na onge kama agende ka black mamba kikunega.
Jalupo.
Koro.
Yeah.
I believe we live life with a lot of passion.
Yeah.
And that is reminiscent on how we consume music.
True.
Kisungu na kialo kogidulu. Okoduonga enya chame donge.
Hata anase chame. Yani mostly wadaka enya. Kaluwore gi kaka how we consume to the reminiscent to how we consume music.
Chal godo.
Kaka wadak chalri kaka wachamo ngolo.
Kono
kaka winjo thum.
Bas. Kono ngato dak dala. To ka wende bongo. To medo negi BPM.
Yes.
Digo ka. Ngidi je moko kama ajaba goye mabongo begocha.
Madara. Kuri digo ka beat and wasafi lakini cost time emawera. Kati miega times 50.
Kuena ka. Uching udo chuodho ko diorungu moro kama etie der. To gambut chopo kada chuodho umo wi gambut. Ma mi yoro ga ora.
Gika but momo duong to gi momo malimbo e nugo ne ga.
Bat kae. To kar chena ne ka. Ba. Koro
odak according to
kako chamo ngima. Kako chamo tumbe. Ngamo dik sana. So nana ni it would be a disservice to cut off the times I've lived in St. Mary's Yala and having interacted with the people from richer families, having gone to a good school and then moved to Nairobi and lived in Eastlands, now moved to Ngong Road huko, Dagoretti huko, and then doing art and interact with them, you get access to music like jazz, blues, or reggae. So I wanted to do, anainja Musa Jumadala kama dongo. Okachge ni Dola Kabari. Amilo Sela no mako sana kwa te. So I wanted a sound has all these things put together. But the foundation is Luo. Because man now that is now the people.
Face.
Man is the people. Because if you want music to represent a time is modern.
True.
But the people
are
is
the Luo.
Then the place is Kenya and Luo Nyanza. So now we have a sound is as authentic as it comes, but can also transcend and move beyond borders of Luo Nyanza. Mana yaka winjo tu, mana ka winjo tu maka Luo Kenya. Winjo maka Luo. Anga rom gerege more matatu winjo rege na. Igi na chako tu mailana.
And did you beninge ni chingmoro
No, there was no marketing strategy. kuna, I would lie if I say near. No, I didn't see anything. Not at all.
Yeah.
Even a year ago, I didn't see anything. No. My sister came for show ya Nyade, Majon Junior.
Yeah.
Nago ni album mar ISNM. No winje tunakona ni album ni dia oniyore. But and I couldn't tell because it's not too far from Fueny. It's just what you people do.
Yeah.
So you don't see the extent of
Bedo
growth. So ana nyengoma bia ni
Ile na iwije.
Ichi ni album dia oniyore.
Yeah.
So onge
vision mama ni ngodo no dibedo maduong.
I wanted to do music, to do music a certain way.
Yeah.
I love people kama Bob Marley, Lucky Dube, Michael Jackson.
Yeah.
Hapa ni an old soul. Ayado ka kidhi manye dio misiani.
Yes.
Tino concert, kinango video mar dio. Tido ko gocho London.
Yeah, true.
Naka dio gocho US. Gika ilage mamo.
To wero mana dholuo mawacho kani.
Wero jana mana ko Isabella Manyara Sego kaen loka. To mzungu Mielma bado malo kamate. So those things used to inspire me. So I wanted to go kata show, to record live. So bring cameras.
Yes.
Of course you pay more. Idi yoriti chulojo more.
Yeah.
Bring cameras, tap sound from the mixer, and record the whole show and post it as it is. Because there's energies. That's what it's called experience. There's energies. Once tapped at a particular show cannot be replicated.
Yeah, true. In another one.
No. Samonya watch more money watch koni because you will go. Watch more kala ngero ngato.
To no donjo no wuok maber kabisa.
Ama ngato ngado miel kamono be ni gita moro gore. Makore kama. So king YouTube mara most of my videos be gin mag shows. Gin mag actual live shows.
Yeah.
It's just how I like doing things. So all these things came together gin culmination mag gik mangeny matino. Mano set apart. So intentionally being strategic origi, no, I was not.
I love it and
yes.
And does it have anything to do with your fashion also on the shows?
Yes.
How?
Aero aluro la umangato ni godo. Aluro la umangato ni godo.
Hey, that is deep, eh? Mano is very deep. Ni aluro la umangato ni. It means
I like things just mine.
Makanga tone ntokoni makosta. Afadhali ngate makuru okope.
Kwanza kai kopo mangeni tawe yo lao.
Chakidhi wachielo.
Kane. Visibility.
Yes.
How people perceive you visually plays a part in first of all branding and then imprint my image patching out.
True.
Koro katumia wankunyo to moka yuak to paro ka
oneno kata kaki in his mind already oneno kaki perform
and then ki kwano jothum kinena for the first time tangi doko tigone jimbaka tibukon tomoro ni goguto thith moro bana mo kata koro
tingo orengo
kata koro ma wero kiwinji tiparo pekle moro mar wako
inyalo paro gine ni moro mar nyadhi cha kando ni moro.
And then also, I think, for me, fashion is a medium of expression. The same way I do art, the same way I conceive and perceive fashion.
Yes.
It's supposed to represent how you feel about yourself, also how you value yourself. So I believe the kind of music Matemo is music might be beyond me. It's music that has a backbone of culture, ancestral journeys through time.
Yeah.
Melodies Mawere, I believe they're supposed to be here right now for a reason.
Yeah.
So no akara semoko sigana manigano chon. Samora kaoga moko aboro from them.
Yeah.
Bolo kanye. It's part of documentation. Samanga na taworo ni bana ni wero mana gik mani wero primary.
Gik mani wero kwa tugo.
It's very necessary for me to do that because these things, the biggest mistake we do as Africans, we don't document things.
True.
Documentation plays a huge part. But sadly, our history is oral. And up until now, when we are already a modernized society, we still subconsciously believe needs to marono benian oral.
It can't be told the other way.
Yes, to one books and we have mediums of storage, Mawanya low store gigi. So we still don't think to store them. So I felt it's necessary for the need ya to hold on to what is left of culture. Kaka gipatina kasigana go eko. I don't know much about Luo culture, but what I
the
know,
little you know, you exhaust them.
Yeah. So no wende moko abura leaf from sigana moro mane mitna taketo bedo thum kaka totinda.
Yeah.
So ngatanya won totinda na ngamo bedo lu. And then there's a whole conversation must stems from just one word. Ibuno ngama nek sigana dek, nek sigana sigana moro achiel. Ngama dagi no wango gi mulo moro kagano ne.
Ngama no dhi lawo thum to dugo yudo koselor dot. Ugoli yende ne mano pango. Ni dhano. Yeah, so the stories come up.
Yes, so I think it's very necessary. Koro kanya matuma ntiere.
Oh.
Yes.
And then now you also came up and it's now a whole community. You have people like Okelo, Apesi, Brian Sigu. So many people are now in this kind of...
But see, all of these guys were here before me.
Yeah. And
I joined.
And then now it's there's a whole conversation going around this contemporary music taking over and also becoming one of the biggest genres my people are going to enjoy. And the Ohangla fraternity are feeling threatened.
Oh.
The conversation is there. Oh, Costa Ginid Wokoja Ohangla Dala. Ojuang. Uda wendo.
I know kane biashara maduoko ngata dala. Adani kaka nyisi off the camera ne.
Yes.
Aero Ohangla. Nti samada ni Ohangla ne madana miel. Nge sama I don't want to think too much. Ohangla ne manya mielo sana.
Yes. Go do
so I go to shows.
Yeah.
I think I shows man jakadala. Olunga ga stage.
Yeah.
Ode ade awere kanya mate. Kada enda de shows ge. I said the shows jimangeny.
Yeah.
Moka dira bere kata kangisa. I said mela miso twango di ngeny ma.
Oh, chini ya maji tu.
Niko tu hapo tu. And then also.
Yeah.
Kaya rolo gudu kada kupinyi kama. Tade club.
Yeah.
Wakaroka ngolo. You wouldn't. I just look like any other Luo. So you wouldn't.
Jana moro ma.
Kama. Kwanza kasoka ledu fuku kama. And makazi ndi moro mo ande. So I just go dance and go back home.
Yeah.
Because at that particular time, Ohangla is the only thing I can consume. However,
yes,
Luo Nyanza has always been a wide space expression artistically. So we cannot just be one thing.
Yeah.
And then, if you think critically, Chon, after Benga, after Awino Labigini, then came Mushinka Basele, who was now the first transition in Yarumba.
Giza inabugindong.
Chin kane goyo wende go eko.
Yeah.
And then Musa Juma borrowed a leaf.
Yeah.
Yes, they borrowed a leaf from Sheikh Basele. Can't wrong, but I'm open for correction.
Yeah.
Ma is not the absolute truth.
Yes.
More observation matter.
Yeah.
This is now. Koro, I feel ni Musa was wise. He understood the Congolese music was already in Luo Nyanza. It was already in Kenya, especially in Nairobi. It was,
taking over, yeah.
Yes, it had already taken over. Don't Baba ne weru bana, Baba ne weru wendi Papa Noel. Tokia ku karachie. Ko dio reira bolo ko do yo.
Do yo kawa.
Sese kasheri moke. Abdu ni wera mo ya sai.
Holding a solo.
Meet ne. Koro ni Musa Musa understood. Ni you wouldn't fight that, and music is not about fight.
Because you know you also used to do Benga before.
Yes.
Then how it transitioned.
So you borrow leaf from what is inspiring the people at that time, because that is going to change. There'll come a time Magimawatimu will not be the thing.
Yeah.
Something else will come. So unless you're aware and is accommodative to that reality, then
yeah.
Music will change. It has been changing, and we will die and leave music here. It's one of the things. I keep saying here, some of the things that can grow, can move beyond realms. Two things.
Yeah.
Kigolo nyasai gije chini keto kanto. And thom, gi our souls.
Chunywa.
Chunjewa, gi thom. Gik manyinya yude pinyka, tibo nwange polo kide. Tibo nwangi ko belbe. Do jama chane kwaya master.
Do ngiwi joni
en mano mi onori yembe.
Kakoro ochako to gi welo. Koro welo.
Koro thum should not be just looked at
physically.
Thum is one of the highest levels of vibrations do you know how powerful it is to sit down and hum something to a random thing and convince people to magi manya kurumia
magi mihel
magi dika gicha to kurumia it's such a huge and divinely powerful gift because we do it every day. We don't stop to think about it.
Yes.
Okwana kwa ngima licha yenye kwerte ba kwanza ngama dichuo moki chulo mo chuli no biro miel
ni wertek
ngarugo ke ode ka koth chue
to biro to ngado
gari fue uchiem chuth mbele rach mo biro dara mo bi mo guchu sipeni John
in kanye
ana chikni donjo in kanye John bo wuok bolo gache kendo
true
it's such a huge gift
mo bi mo ngadi get mo bed piny 1 hour 2 hours 3 hours
konge mo kumotegno so
it's a powerful tool.
It's a powerful tool. We hardly stop to look at it like that because we are part of the tool.
Yeah.
One vessels carriers mag information going. So tool will change because the people are changing. The amount of information Manibaba will consume in a day, you consume in a month, you consume that whole information in 3-4 days.
Yeah.
Sani. Kidhi TikTok kama.
Yes.
Idogo Twitter, idogo Instagram, idogo Facebook, idogo simbe moko. Idhi somo kama koro news ndiye Google. Wiyo pogi baba wunya tingo ina man.
Itieko.
Ngachi udhi pudro dugo. Gonyo diek to kama. To diro me barasa to go ajwa. Manga moro go nyoro kini robo go kini. No, I'm serious.
Ikodi ngani ya mabor.
Mange. We paro.
Yes.
Mangi dugi ne TV.
Yeah.
Pachi is exhausted.
Some teach be teach Pachi is exhausted. So when you come back home, you don't want to consume music in a way either it's calming you or it's uplifting you. Yeah.
And these things change with how your mind changes and develops. So tumwago ni bro kalo.
Yeah.
Aja bende bro kalo. Manaka rumba no kalo. Manaka benga no kalo.
Yeah.
To manaka natiti maro guang lelo geni no kalo. There is nothing overly special with us.
Yeah.
We just messengers for this time. Others will come.
Yeah.
So I know kind of business ado kajawa dala. Whoever wants to keep playing Ajawa, I love Ajawa, and you will satisfy my soul at a particular time. I'll come to your show. I'd love for you to also come to my show. So I made an modiwinjo ndo mane kisungu Kiswahili.
And in achiel kuom neno sana this year 2025. Facebook, TikTok and let's say Instagram. Dhano wacho ni ine makoro jugi opio kuomi mar mondo mi it take this industry to the next level. Makata sama ni timo show mari mane entiere Red Room. Majority of the people never expected to be that big. Nikech you had never done a bigger one kama no in as much as you had other events before. To macha chandi came as a surprise maji wacho ni this guy makuru jugi osedonjo kuome. How do you feel seeing Teach Mane chaka kaka fan and now blowing and the reception is crazy, Sani Eridi Kisumu and it's going to be big, the Mombasa. How do you feel about that growth?
And uneasy. Don't get kabiro ka interview. Uneasy.
Your story again.
No, because what is there? Of course, I'm grateful. I'm also happy because you get to enjoy the fruits of hard labor.
Of what you are doing, yeah.
Yes. But equally, I'm also more aware of the reality. This is not going to be like this forever.
Yeah.
There's a sound madibiro akiae.
But ingeno brubiro.
Obo biro. Kwanza anipokata kabeti ngatumoro mali. Ko kachako.
To in being in Gijugi.
Jugi is a complex conversation because kisa mini kumnyasai and then now Jugi becomes difficult to define because then now Jugi yana one kisa factor in the race one manyasai what space do you have left for Jugi so ka Jugi ngono manyasai tan kode
and oteku moro and spirit moro ma
alafu tire gimachelo kendo ma I think has worked for me.
Yes.
And ji okwer thumbe tinde. Chon king'eyo wende kaka mag Ochieng Kabasele. No, emiro awero na kale o
there's a particular pattern.
Mano en chieng dong.
Yes.
To tibe mo mano wero kose yiku wuone gi.
Dong. Ura ugola.
Wen mano dinango. No yiku.
Oyika onge babo mnadina. Oyika onge babo. Ruth kono simbi mea chopo.
So, Mano Ochieng as an example.
Yes.
And then Dio Misiani. There's so many songs Mo Ochieng are. So music is supposed to be the thing that accompanies life. So either makes life bearable.
Yes.
So my life is not bearable.
Wow.
So key word about subjects like Thor.
Yes.
Kanesa. Good times. Hera madano gidano. Tagi hera manya sai.
Yes.
Tiru en mapunjoji. You'll communicate more to people. I think so. As people will take you to heart.
Yes.
Sana. Molo kiwero era kende. Kiwero era kende. This don't put me anywhere, please.
Kigimu.
Like I said.
Yes.
Gimagima na panda.
Yeah.
So ino angoka kidir Musa. Musa wero sia kabab.
Yeah.
Wero wuon gidong.
Ratego baba.
Amapuka yone pesa madimi yagoni go kamano miyone na onge yweyo.
Chako wero menigi.
Chako wero menigi.
Awuor mama.
Ochako wero osiepege. Ochako wero kuom hera.
Yes.
Ochako wero wano ni Kenya still in trouble.
Raila Odinga. Yes.
Ochako wero Sudan. Ipan no koso wendo ndiko wende hera kano wero gi.
Kano dwa wero hera thumbe gi hera te. Dong no nyalo. Mamoro keto at break, moro yudo hera manyien, moro wero ng'ama osebedo.
Moro hera osebedo kuma igni mang'eny. Moro hera modoke ga koparo chien.
Moro
I feel the music is supposed to be the heartbeat yenye nafanya life na kuwa bearable.
When things are not
so
bearable.
Musicians like that, people take them to heart a lot more. Even me.
Yes.
Again, universally, people argue between Peter Tosh and Bob Marley.
Bob Marley, yeah. Emanekali.
Niyo, ngejama nineja message.
Kwanza message. Jorege give Jamani nineja message.
Bwana culture kora ni chunyi message. King Raka like Dube. He sang songs mawa social commentary.
True.
Some about love. Some about a father who left.
Yeah.
So a lot of people are going through all these things in different capacities. So when they hear you talk about them in songs, they'll take you to heart a lot more.
Or they feel attached.
Yes. Because just that's how life is.
Yeah.
So songs maga moko, nti moko, analuoro Nyasaye, apartma Nyasaye aluoro.
Telo mar jawar.
Telo no nyami. South lokere north. Pero telo na luoro. So you know King Yumos projects maga. Ka golo project ra wende aboro. Wende ariyo mag Nyasaye.
Mag jawar, yeah.
Kagolo wende ara paga biro no ka wende ariyo mag Nyasaye, to ye kanyo timo ko mponi mention mag Nyasaye moko.
Yeah.
So
kwanza ntisa makuru juogi. Waluonge ni juogi. Makuru maki makuru buli cha koro pado. To kando bende ne kama koro en wach malicha e jajalwa. Jalupo. Koro yero.
Yero Nyasaye. Kora dani gigi teka sto matieko. It's all said and done.
Yeah.
I don't know how you. You know kuditime kendi.
Yeah.
So if that's what people call juogi.
Yes. That's what. Then so be it.
Yeah.
And now, if you look at this whole progress, now we have a whole new generation of music with a whole new generation of people. Manaka kaniwacho ni a people at a particular time. Yeah. And now Costa Ojwang is becoming big day by day, day by day. How has things changed? How has life changed? What has what is so new that you didn't imagine or you didn't know kinge onichi moro?
To watch keep calendar. Bana sete wa meetings Nairobi. Ye wacha mama ya romo grele gudi
hapo ja.
Lao ni wacha to.
One way I've been looking for Costa for almost 2 months.
To kana ni apondo.
To kana ni nindo.
Agombo na ponda diere. Kiko simi wene matin.
Agna gochi. Kitika ni another one.
Simi wene matin. Asero mogiji ma.
Naro mogira ila godi hapo.
Asero mogiji sana. Opija neno gigi. So jokes aside, I'm more busy than I was before. Away from Berka Kapesa.
Yeah.
Which is, you know, it's one of those things you get to enjoy Kitio Mate, kids that were successful. But also, Asero Mogijima, I would have never thought.
Yeah.
And then to have them treat you with respect without asking for. So, to Mago Nyo say na the ma somebody no koya orana after a very long time. And then also to Nairobi do maten.
Oh yeah. Nairobi was an 10.
A bit of my chiegni. It would take so much effort from me to go to Kitusuru.
True.
Because then I prepare yourself, but then now, of course, there's still preparation, but it doesn't feel too far from home. Or tomorrow,
you can be accommodated actually anywhere.
Come on.
And nani yeni manomio after the Nyadhi festival, katasama nitimo event married room. Most of you know actually, you remember when Costa was introduced to the Luo nation through Nyadhi festival. That was the conversation, yeah? How did you and John?
I know Felix. I know Felix Bat.
Yes.
I know Felix from another lady I used to work with. Sister Natalia Oyando. Vanessa used to be in my management.
Nice.
Look, managing.
Sister Maritalia. Yes. Maritalia.
So, can I get him more Nyadhi? Felix Manomani. Because we had a relationship. John Naluoro, John Wechenete. I'm to doing ni be the most.
Yeah.
So, amba aluro mo moraga kumji. Ngamakia kimo moruko samoro gimitemo na mo oer. So, na gochu ngama gochu go wadi maduo. So dem buri gochu. Kasa nyorumo tete mango. Ilor.
And how did you leakage? I was actually at the festival and the reception was big. Yani people could dance. Gikia kata ninga niluongo ninga. Nyaka jomane pudo kongene Costa ninga. But gicha kaka no the dogo donjo negi. You know the odunyore. In feel nango for that reception.
Nyaka mori ni kech ngene kigo thum. Kaka wacho mokwongo ni thum. En mar a people place and a time.
Yeah.
Kigo thum to
and then you are the only one doing your music like and mari chana na mari maine mani intime kacha kendi.
Kigo thum tiweri gidoluo.
Yeah.
Chunyi maye kata ko itamori. Chunyi maye gombo ni joluo winji gigo. Because gintie gik mang'eny ma wacho. Ma kaka jaluo winje. Kabila moro winje kamano. De kona moro ma ka melody ogoyo. Kira kacho niya bende paraga samoro kinindo kako donje chuny jaluo
opogore gi
chale kako donje chuny ngama kata kabila molando luo monge wacho doluo kaka wacho
gino
kako donjo
opogore nav moro modhi mulo
manya kibed ma jaluo
kinyalo winje
so wende mawero nigi kona goeko my dream was ni joluo what kata kelo gini we want people to listen to this music because we think it's good enough. Wapani wa package moromo chot. Apani we present it to people. Also maber. Was charanga mutedo mo set mesa.
Kuri invite
jimondo. Charger plate. To jo mawi monge chiemo no onge. So kana gocho kanyo na mor nikech joluo winja then also knew near. It's also a platform to introduce yourself in a strong way. Corona, I'm not going to come on. Majan moro bene me.
Motegno matido. Juno bingeni ok ngama yuagere. Angomo mio, do you think is the difference between art ma Nairobi Gima Kisumu? As somebody who has
just
been
art, visual art and art music.
Generally, we can say art to mutingo tho, mutingo comedy, mutingo maybe acting. Like generally, do you think they are two different markets? And
yes.
what is so different that Maybe ngamani Kisumu nyalo work on.
Mokwongo Kisumu onge pesa.
Onge majan.
Ile kamera. Wait. Naonekana hapo, si ndio? Kisumu onge pesa. Kisumu ndio pesa for other things.
Not art.
No. No. It's a bitter truth. You will make some money.
It's true. We have been part of it.
You'll make some money, but not enough. I know there's never enough money.
Yeah.
But value
is insufficient
the
balance.
Quality marigi mitemo. Kisumu onge pesa. So I'd advise a lot of people to leave. Come kekedi kana Nakuru, baby Nairobi, Sandri and then you can go back and influence the market.
Like now you are going with the festival.
Coca festival ni.
Yes, the fisherman experience.
Jo BNB di tiyo sasa.
True.
So karanga to wuyo ni angongo jo BNB di tiyo.
So your transport.
Kwa BNB taxi ka ngogite. You're adding value to that ecosystem. Jo tende madonamgi. Di tiyo. So you're adding value to that ecosystem. I'm doing a workshop on 31st, Marathon.
Yes.
So you're also adding value to your fellow creatives. And
during the day.
30th.
Or 30th a day to now.
30th. You're not in workshop mar art, Marathon.
Yes.
To give mar content.
Yeah.
What they give Samiro give me quite. And then to Madi Okelo, Jotu
yeah.
And then art and Yakomoro. So I feel like no Mrs. Bogmak TikTok Magni. I want to join your band. I sing.
I'm a good artist.
Yes. You know, you're privileged to be in a position where people look at you.
Yeah.
But the reality is Okenya
konyo. Yeah.
Gino Kenya konyo.
But anything else gimangani gwarani en genuine, en real, but koro Kenya konyo.
So the only help I feel adimaya sana mpoka dongo. I say you ntijo mose ngeza ni for only 2 months. From Red Room nyaka sani. Kende.
Yeah.
Kwani metrics mane mipimo godongo. Dangi don't in 2 months.
You can't. Kata na gwede grade moko ma iluongo na ngoga. Broiler. Okdo.
Michwe yath.
Ok down get 2 months.
So, I understand people asking you for help.
Yes.
Because whatever they're looking for, they're seeing it in you. Akini aonge capacity ngano kona gani kapa ukombe ni opong kiketo mipuk na ngato okibi konyo kipu kone ngato kapa ukombe ni opong tudhiromoru ka ute uonge godo kono ngakonyo wadgi.
That's wow.
So work, of course, share with people, but fill your cup so that you can be able to share more. When you start sharing cup nyodong, udhi chalo rute koro ngakonyo wadgi onge to kaka wach mokwongo okomiwa gifts mondo wabed msumba mag gifts gifts jo konyo. So abodok there's no huge impact. So we hope to make an impact, but okwadhi reverse engineer the whole market.
It has to go this way.
No. We're going to talk to people to tell people what worked for us. Why Uwaya is considered one of the best songwriters in Nairobi and Kenya at large. Why people think Costa's music is good. Why Okelo's music is good. What is done differently. And Koro, ananamane, kama ni Kisumu, tigo thum, tibiro mondo wago mbaka. Bigi chuny mojo rebe. Manyalo puonjore.
Manya learn something.
Kikibi ani bana Thomas segoyo bwana. Tego to kikibi.
Samoro ne kodi Kisumu koni bwana Costa gine wan go bwana.
Clearly there's something we are doing different from what you're doing. And we also want to learn from people. Because kidok dala. Your luo gets richer. It's automatic. Anka kalo ga moroni. Ada mana acha sedoda kana chakle kadega. Kana na put tiang. Gara ya moloko nyuka ingi kaka yiti ostachian tube.
Yes.
Ako ya orega.
Oya koro luo chako dojo.
Dala di ka liet moro dali gon jacket. Download software mari. You need to upgrade, update. So badan jobi wago mbaka. Mondo wakonyre, wapuonjre. Jok manya bi Nairobi bende I would advise anyone. When you're still young, between 24, 5 mpaka 31.
Yes.
Can creative, leave Kisumu. Yes. Kuja uteseke huko. Rudi baadaye.
Hapa Mateso inaweza lepa kidogo.
In Mateso unapata kitu. Kanyaka do mtuma mani uso Kisumu.
Yes.
Do no da.
Nwaluonga ni Sunday.
Do no da. So people will appreciate, yes.
Yeah.
But
and life changed the moment.
It doesn't match the amount of work you put in out. Doesn't match what you're getting.
You are getting.
So karani gin magiero. Sambogi bengi modi yogi kon. Nti person other sectors.
But not art.
Art, kwanza art cannot be sustained. The county government. It's a very new thing.
Yeah.
They'll put money here, but a lot of it has to come from within you.
Yeah.
And when the things without are not pro what you have inside,
yeah.
Nyaki go kona bigi mokono.
Ichaki donje machuom.
Chu.
My youngs tinde thoni, okinyisgi ni ngato nitie koso pod ginyala gini.
Natia dong magi Yesu.
Onge bwana.
Adong gi Wood Maria. Ye video mar
Maro gina ja.
Mari Wood Maria rudo la ke dorche.
Bang dala nek to Wood Maria Twitter well.
Ani beti malaika moro malaka madadongo.
Onge bwana. My youngs osebedo ka penjo ni Costa, are you single?
Gibi Kisumu show.
Taken.
Gibi show Kisumu. Adilanda darani.
On 31st.
Kati ngorengo kama. Result kalatasi.
And you rengo, by the way, how do you choose your nini?
So this one.
Machalo rengo.
Nadik Kisumu 23.
Tung oporo geneka he.
Kana golo fwenye. Kinyo videos maga kidok chien. Before show ma Hill Camp 23. Orengo ne onge.
Yes.
What's that you?
I watch almost your live. Katamana launching. It's almost a 1 hour something. I do watch it.
But if you go back, Orengo onge. Oporogene onge. So kana di Kisumu, mana the first album to Amar Fuen.
Yes.
Ne adwa gima feels like home. Especially for the music that I make.
Yeah.
Yangi nangi lao moro jora mona ngato golo naga nugol na Sierra Leone.
Oh, imported.
Jora moro.
Lungo ne jora.
Kente moro. Bulu kama hili. Na digo Kisumu.
Okay.
Jama no mi kente na moro kanyo. Kwa donyo Kisumu gi jora cha. Tano ka gigi. Onge gi presence. Oko
maka
oko mak piny maber. Kaka tumo make. Tadi museum kacha. Anyeo rengo. Mia dek. Nanye museum. Anye mia dek. Kura for the Kura agot kodisho. Sona bino nego na sona ngen
kacha tianam kujo.
Kada video kingi yogi. Sona mo kala kale wan kamera kama samo we. Father. Kadu ko kone.
Yeah.
Vanessa Nyamintalia. Nipo ni team. Okani kikio rengo, nikoro wuoth godo sate.
Obed signature nini mari
Kwa chapo wuotho godo.
Yeah.
Ane koro kana wuotho godo rengo. Orengo has no sound.
Ene na visible tu.
Tapar ni oporo kagoyo. Oporo nyagoyo to kigoyo ki.
Yeah.
Bati kigoyo e bounce.
Yeah.
Odonje tu moro moro.
Kama gori chako rwake oporo.
Poro sana loso kenda.
To puro ni golo kure. Ada ga peji.
River Urkantia mini moko mausoga. Ye gige decorations moko ma Kikuyu. They use them for vessels kama madho kongo.
Oh, yeah.
Ok gino pogina tung kama.
Nekech maricha dongena na mama
matin.
Yeah.
Na dia ome kasa dia ngade gi
musmeno
kuso. Musmeno. Kasa poe gi drill mi pogo do dot. Apoe go no maber. Apoe sandpaper. Kasa dia gore rangi. Koro kakude, even for me, it takes me to a place I can't explain.
Yeah.
But it feels so much like home.
Mani juogi moro mi winjo wacho cha. Koro ntiere kamoro motedi makata ino kinya explain.
But it feels so much like Migori. It feels so much like Sierra. It feels so much like Kisumu. And deep down we are all just villagers.
Iwe ni teru buru moro makoro tedore makoro.
Samego koro I like the contrast maro poro. Gigi mabando go chin ka.
Joma olinge gita oling jodinicha.
Koro be akagoye kaka mora mora. Kagoye to gik moko wuok kaka keyboard instrument ma misungu wagolo ok go.
Okoro donga nyaluo aching.
Odono kae di bass no ba kiketo keyboard to diket. Ka ojara chare so giri joteng.
Ok doji. Kwanza jiwacho ni ati ni style migoye go chantie kaka ikuongi kapok yini.
Jago kamadi. Jaga pok abilo.
Adier?
Nyaka nini. Kara kongo kamadi.
Magicha cha en ga ina gimitimo kaka in Costa maonge gimoro
jaga kwanza jaga luor apani wiya bo kotre kama jaga wiya bo ketore
ni jaga luor.
No, I'm serious.
Yeah.
Jaga, I'm terrified.
Yeah. Or you don't know what it can do.
I don't know, so I'm not even curious. Though a lot of my friends smoke, so apana sema the jaga kia.
Passively
smoking because jotum karibu tema the jaga. Gino si pega ko gimeta meta buta kan. It's not nikima jaga ko at this same to work on.
But you just
but okara analuore.
Oh, mama richa ina ngabana pure talent.
But na perform cage we. Keep perform cage. Don't you watch the richa. Ko the richa we will go now.
Oh, kuru sama ini kacha tu ngami kedo ko mani mbele di.
Sijumoka werma. This times ma I figured ni can't travel subconsciously to Migori Dala wa Gunda. So the only thing left is just me. Ginyasai.
Yeah.
So it translates. Show my blankets and my material YouTube cha. Mloya mo musiepna. Nyako mo ni show cha musiepne.
Donc mirwa ke gine ma black ni.
Ma white kama yeri. Go gudu mo wala chari kama. Show ma wana manyenti. Live. Nyako no ngiseni bwana. Unajua Costa? Ni hiyo jamaa hata kujua madawa anatumia. Mimi nilikuwa nimelewa na bangi. Na bado namkimbizana na yeye bado.
Ikete kaka.
Siendi na yeye bado naenda. Hiyo jamaa anatumia madawa. Kwa bwana cha video kwa nambaka. Niko na deadline najua. I'm convinced natumia madawa.
Hakuna kitu utumii. There is something.
Ntigi moro matiyo godo.
Yeah.
Mokalo motiyo go.
To en no tiyo ge jaga.
No tiyo gik mang'eny. To chichi nitie moro modong' mang'eyo. Maibo dang'eyo.
Mondo emo mede cocktail lecha.
Koko jukwa. So, and then bende gimulongo ni juogi no labda.
Yes.
The presence ma kamanya sae nitie. Dhano ng'eyo. Koro nyama miye nyinge moko. To ng'eyo kaka kanyo feels.
Yes.
Nitie jomoko kata dalau. Ma kalemo kata koko. Ti feeling and to lema die. Nitie jomoko misero moko kata dongo ni kae.
Yeah.
Ok gin kata jo yalo. But you wouldn't trust them to pray for you. You cause watch ni kene makuno lemono.
Yeah.
Tipo makelonyo gudu ni penye kama.
Kulo wi penye.
To kene watch man weche mokadek jawab neno kaka wasibedo kaka wuono ero kamano kuom wuono mari to ken tieko to olamen gi chunyite.
Yeah. To kendo ng'ama chielo mekango
din. Mo chikre mo luar. Chikre mo chako luar.
Ok donji.
Chielo wang mi ng'ie ka. Keto dipono hinyore ka mo luar ni.
Ok donji. Bana
Koro dhano ng'eyo. Kama Nyasaye nitie.
Yeah.
So Nyasaye bong'eyo ka kidhire gi chunyi te. An adano konye. To I know I'm throwing this Nyasaye thing loosely around. But I mean it.
Yeah.
Okay, throw it to him on the interview in bed, mammy.
Yeah.
It's the only thing I know. It's the only thing I'm familiar with as a source of strength. If it counts, I don't know.
Wow. I want to take this moment. Wawugi Joera Mag Costa Ojuang. Te.
Awachi nege.
Nyisgi kaka 31st debate.
Kamera no menya kenda.
Focus on. Ninya chula.
Kaukalo. Aya wow, I'll check the money. Nyapinyi mabor. Okao tulo mare mogeno. Ondiko na baruo dwanega. Nyataka wiri mwalo. Obero ka tulo mare mogeno. Ondiko na nochora leto dwanega. Ogwela nyasubo ka ochunya buneka kugwela nyono. Yangoma masikini, masikiri wa mapenzi. Nambita mwalo kauchunya bune. Oh mama jango mama masikini wa mapenzi. Winyo sungore mamo wanganeno sungore kadhano. Jomaya Costa te. Nyaka jok mawuonda kaka simi. Ni era to ko era. Biuru Kisumu 31st of May.
Yes.
Chengeso.
Yeah.
Akene video ndiwo karangolo ching mowuok no kapok oromo ngeso. Biuru ngeso Kisumu Tomboya College. Tomboya Labour College. Kain Siaya.
Yes.
Tisewinjo waka gombo winjo wa live. Kain Uyoma. Kain Asembo. Kain Beta. Kain Migori. Echo giko piny kijoki donjo Tanganyika. Muhuru Bay.
Yeah.
Kain team Moronika. Bi Kisumu 31st of May, Tomboya Labour College. One Genyasi Maduno Fisherman's Experience, Dala edition. It's going to be a beautiful party of contemporary Luo music with a leaning towards Machon. Jatu maduong maluo Nyanza, maduong no wanya bedo kata wuonwa. We biro gocho kanya ne surprise act. To kwa dala ndo kaji kesha ngoa surprise act. Ikinga sinyo ngeke songo. Mulika simi kidogo alafu nirudishie tena.
Guys, on 31st of May, this Saturday, all roads leads to Kisumu City, Tomboya Labour College. As you all know, we are going to the Fisherman Experience Dala edition. That is the moment to come and experience amazing music, contemporary music. We'll be having Costa Ojwang leading the show, Okelo Max, and so many artists lined up for the show. Tickets are already running out. So make sure you go to Costa's social media platforms. Yes. There is a link there where you can get your tickets, so that on Saturday gicho pangi sama kama sa par ka
machine kuma kuchingi yo men.
Yes.
Koko ni chunyas.
So make sure that you come there and enjoy the show and have an amazing experience of the Fisherman and his lifestyle and live performance straight out of Kisumu City.
Yes sir. Wanere chimo wanduang. Kimano kore Kisumu so manilando chon.
Wade wang ni tokoro dir waro nere Kisumu show. Tomboya Labour College. Thank you so much, Costa.
Asante.
And of course, Akwaya Simon Hotel ni Shoma Saturday. We hope and we believe that it's going to be amazing. Personally, I will be there. So everybody who has been watching, thank you so much. May you keep supporting our Luo artists as we've always done. This is the channel. Actually, you know, this is the most watched vernacular Luo media.
Such happening. Kwa time za COVID ka.
Doge mawachake ka bana mateni.
Kanga ngomba kamoro kiacho.
Kinyen kasi wan kanyidoto.
Sibi kanyidoto kin.
Donge. But you see now where we are. And we thank God.
Subscribe kwa hii channel kama unatuona leo mara ya kwanza.
Yes.
Subscribe hapa. Tell your neighbor. Ya muhimu pia tell hata landlord.
Yeah.
Wako.
Tell her or him that there is some good vibes here.
Yes.
And of course, make sure you support Costa, his YouTube channel. Go there. There is a new show that he uploaded there, Blankets and Wines, where it's a whole 1 hour, 16 minutes, I think. Make sure you go there and watch the vibe. Get to know what you expect anytime you visit Costa Ojwang and his performances. So, Jalupo, asante sana. And of course, we always say to our production team, Director Daya, thank you so much. And to all the ladies, mwah, all the men, you can get your mwas from where you normally get them. We don't care. Do you care?
No, I don't.
Thank you so much. Asante sana.